I tested two-tone acrylic for the first time on these drippy pet tags, and now I'm wondering why I ever wasted time paint filling acrylic. I picked up a few sheets of two-tone acrylic and a set of Riley Black's keychain thingies, and then they lived on my workbench for about a month before I actually got around to doing anything with them. Eventually, I stopped ignoring them and engraved these melted dog bone and heart-shaped pet tags. I designed these for a new set I'm calling the Drippy Love Pet Tag Collection, and I really like how these tags turned out. Here we are inside xTool Studio, and today we're using the xTool P3 in only the standard material settings for two-toned acrylic. Feel free to pause the screen in order to grab these settings. The white and black turned out pretty good, but even after 2 passes with the standard xTool settings, the engraving lands more charcoal than deep black. It still looks great though. Honestly, it gives a kind of minimalist look. If you've never worked with two-tone acrylic, the idea is pretty simple. You've got 2 layers of color pressed into one acrylic sheet, then the laser engraves through the top layer, and then the color underneath shows through, so you get instant contrast. No paint fill, no extra steps, no breathing in the wrong direction and smearing paint everywhere. The contrast is just already there. On a pet tag, contrast really matters. It needs to be readable fast, like someone found your dog and is squinting at their collar from a few feet away fast. That's where two-tone acrylic really helps. No paint fill, no extra steps, no breathing in the wrong direction and smearing paint everywhere. The contrast is just already there. The blue and white has this really modern, clean feel to it, and the red and white made me feel oddly patriotic for a random Tuesday in March. So what do y'all think? Red, white, or blue? Which is your favorite? Let me know in the comments. The red drippy heart is probably my favorite. I don't know why, but it reminds me of a strawberry. And now that I've noticed that, I like it even more. Two-tone acrylic is definitely going into the regular rotation. Great contrast, no fuss. These tags look like something you'd actually find in a boutique. Specifically Anvil and Light, which is us. So that worked out. These are made to order in our Etsy shop. If you want one, the link is in the description and the pinned comment below. Stella has already claimed the red heart as her own. So what do y'all think about two-tone acrylic? Are you into it? Also, before I go, quick kudos to Riley Black for making these amazing keychain thingies. I stumbled across them during a late night search for better hardware, and I decided to give them a try. I went with the extra large size. They're really secure and they elevate the tag nicely. They're pretty hard to get off once they're installed, but you can get them off. It's just going to take a little muscle. If you want to check them out, I'll leave the link in the video description. That's all for now. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more like it, consider subscribing. Until next time.